Are you ready to transform your financial future in 2025? Imagine breaking free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It's all about mastering your money habits. Today, we're unlocking 5 powerful finance and investing secrets that can pave the way to your wealth, starting right now. The first secret is paying yourself first. Picture this. While most people prioritize expenses and save what's left, financially savvy individuals flip the script. They allocate funds to savings and investments before anything else, even if it's just a modest amount. Over time, that $100 monthly investment grows rapidly in a solid index fund, turning into a substantial nest egg for the future. Your first bill should be to yourself, reflecting the importance of prioritizing your financial health. Next, we confront the beast of bad debt. Credit card debt can feel like a financial anchor, pulling you down with exorbitant interest rates. The average American pays a staggering amount in interest alone every year, which diminishes your ability to save. The clear rule here is simple. Eliminate debts with high interest rates as swiftly as possible. Paying off these debts is arguably the best investment you can make, delivering guaranteed returns that no conventional investment can match. Now let's talk about investing in assets rather than toys. That brand new car depreciates the moment you drive it away, while financial assets like stocks or real estate appreciate over time. Each purchasing decision should prompt the question, is this contributing to my wealth or detracting from it? Focus on investments that generate income. Assets should be your priority, while liabilities should take a back seat in your financial strategy. Additionally, the future demands multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky, and in an economy challenged by inflation, diversifying income sources becomes crucial. Consider side hustles, rental income, or dividends from stocks. Remember, millionaires often have several income streams. What are yours? Finally, let compounding work its magic. Albert Einstein famously described compounding as a powerful force, suggesting investing consistently can lead to substantial wealth over time. So, start early, stay committed, and watch your financial dreams unfold. With these 5 secrets in hand, your path to financial freedom in 2025 is clearer than ever.